Today we are preparing pumpkin leaves, and these are already cleaned, ready to be chopped. Just a rough chop. They will reduce when I will be cooking them. I'm chopping off the stalks. They are nutritious, just like the leaves. Start on the fire so that we cook them down. Some salt here. I'll just add like this quantity of salt. That's like a half tablespoon of salt. Let me add a little. Add a half, this is a cup of water to help the cooking, and then we'll just cover it. What I've done is transferring the vegetables and drain some water that was left. So this is what is the product from what we put on the fire 10 minutes ago. I also started my onions, tomatoes, fried in olive oil, and I like the paste that is already formed here. A little olive oil, 2 tablespoons, a half an onion, and 3 tomatoes. So I just put them in here. I drained all the water that was left from the boiling or the steaming. You can use it interchangeably, and we are almost there. Don't forget to check on the salt. That is so much flavorful. It has the earthy taste because of the, you know how green, there's an earthy taste that is in there. It's not sour, it's not sugary. It has a very nice flavor. This can be enjoyed by anyone. Don't forget, your kids can enjoy it. It's full of roughage, vitamins, iron, satisfied. The salt is on point. I have a half a cup of milk here. Okay, just give it a quick stir and let the milk infuse. I'm satisfied with the water I'm having, and then that is the end. Unfortunately, mtakula kwa macho, so let me show you. That is it. I like it that way. Look at that. And I turn off the fire.